There we go. Ooh. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. This is good. What is this? Is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? I gotta be careful. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tyler Goes Fishing. I'm Tyler. Today we're going fishing, and the goal for today is to catch, I'm gonna say 5 different species. Mostly just panfish. I don't think there's anything else in here, but there is a decent variety of panfish. So I got classic night crawlers with me. I'm gonna toss them out there, maybe some artificials, who knows, we'll see how the day goes. But today is a beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees, overcast. I couldn't ask for a more beautiful day. So let's see how many species we can catch today. All right, I see some turtles. I see a bunch of panfish swimming around. It's hard to tell what they are. Of course, probably a ton of bluegill, but I can see them over there. It's a little shallow right here, but then it gets deeper right there towards the other side of this little creek here. And I can see a bunch of ones just swimming right along where it gets deeper right here. All right, let's go. Got my water shoes on today in case I want to do a little wading. I can do a little bit of it. Night crawlers. My favorite bait in the whole wide world. I got this little jig right here. Of course, I remembered my rag this time. Now excuse me while I cut you to pieces. Just a teeny little piece, that's all you need. Now I hope this hook isn't too big. I mean, it's definitely small enough to catch a lot, but I'm always kind of paranoid I'm using too big of hooks. That's all I'm gonna need right there. Cover that back up, close this. This thing still reeks of the chicken livers that spoiled like 2 months ago. It still reeks of it. I should just buy a new one. All right. How much y'all want to bet the first species will be a bluegill? I'll bet $1 million right now. Gonna try bottom fishing right now. And of course, to try bottom fishing now, it's covered in gunk. Yeah, there's a little bit of an algae buildup here. More than last time. Let's see, is the water freezing cold? You know what, before I go in there, why don't I just like leave my cell phone right here? Yeah. Just in case I take a dip. Don't need my cell phone becoming a useless paperweight. And you know what? Let's do that with the GoPro batteries too. I'll keep those in my pocket. Those suckers are like almost $20 each. Is it cold? Is it cold? Yeah, kind of cold. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, bite. Getting a bite. Take it. No, I missed the hook set. Oh, got something. Little teeny guy. Ah, I called it. Bluegill, of course. Of course, a bluegill. What else would it be? This is Tyler Goes Fishing. This is like 80% of my catches right here. Oh, fish. Oh no, another nice little teeny bluegill right here. When I first saw it, I thought maybe it was a redbreast because of the bright orange belly, but nope, another gill. My worm is already completely screwed up. I'm switching over to my other pole with a bobber and hook. See if a suspended bait will do me a little better. All right, so far one species. We got to get number 2 now. Come on, nightcrawler. Hey, there we go. Ooh, this one's fighting pretty good. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This one's the biggest of the day. Not bad size. Yeah, oh, spine me, spine me. Yeah, that's a pretty good one, man. Look at that. That is a good size one. Can I lip him? Kinda. There we go. Beautiful specimen. Fish on. Ooh. I say that every time I catch something. Ooh. Ah, it's just another bluegill. Another nice one, but hey, bro. Gotcha. Another nice one. This one's got like a very pinkish tone to it. That's kind of cool. Pretty cool, fella. Still got a teeny piece of this worm on. All right, you know what? I'm actually going to bring both of these things, the Lunker Hunt Maybugs and the Gulp Alive Minnows Chartreuse. I think the regular colored ones, like the shad colored ones, the gray and black, I think that's in the car. That's okay. I'll use these two things, these artificials. I can use the exact same rig I was using anyways, the little jig with the bobber. It's amazing how well these little things work. I wish they didn't leak their stinky juice everywhere. That sounded dirty. That looks bad, but it'll work. I'm not entirely sure how deep it is right in this area. It goes down pretty dramatically. It's like a 45-degree angle right here. I can't really see the bottom. Either that or the bottom's just so dark with muck. I don't know. Oh, oh. Thought I had a bite. There we go. Ooh. This guy's a fighter. Get away from the thing. Get away from over there. Get over here. Oh, it's a... Look at that beautiful pink, or excuse me, beautiful orange belly this one's got. This one's a good size one too. Not a bad one. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Ooh. He smacked me in the leg as he said goodbye. Ooh, that was a nice little hit. What do we got here? Get over here, get over here, get over here. Ooh. Oh, looks like just like another nice bluegill. Wow. Yeah, that is a chunky gill right there. Wow, look at that beautiful fish. Oh my God. This is like the ideal gill right here, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful stripes, beautiful orange belly. Good size one too. Let's get a belly view right there. Look at that. That's a good one. I am such a simp for bluegills, I guess. That is so janked up. All right, let's try it anyway. Nope, there we go. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. What species are you? What species are you? Oh, it's a green sunfish. Haha, a new species. Not a bad one either. Or is it a green sunfish? Or is it, no, it's a redbreast. Redbreast, sorry. That's a good one. Look at the size of the head and mouth in this one. Wow. Look at that. So this, I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and classify this as a redbreast, which would make it species number 2. I knew you guys were in here. I've seen you guys in here before. Now just let go, please. Thank you. There you go. Beautiful fish. Bye-bye. Tails, yeah, look at this. Still janked up. It worked. Look at that tail. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, guys, we got something? Oh, yeah, I got something. A little guy. Oh, another redbreast. This one's a little bit more classic looking redbreast here. Oh, it's beautiful. Love them. God, beautiful fish today. Catching a lot of beautiful fish today. Here you go, fella. Well, I'm still only on 2 species, but even if I only catch 2 species today, oh, that was a bite. Even if I only catch the 2 species today, I mean, pretty good samples, pretty good specimens, you know what I mean? Making noise in case of snakes. Making lots of noise in case there's snakes. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Fish. Ooh, what is this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a creek chub. That's a new species. Ha ha ha. Ah, 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 ah. This is a pretty good sized one. Oh, geez. That's risky. I hear ya. Look at that nice creek chub, y'all. Yeah. I hear ya. I hear ya. I hear ya. All right, there we go. Nice. Woo-wee. All right. After a lot of time, finally got my 3rd species. That means I got 2 more to go for my goal. It's a little bit of a grind, but you know what? It's a beautiful day out. It's just wonderful to be outside in Mother Nature, catching fish. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude, crappie! Yes! Oh, that's okay. It counts. I caught him. Caught him. Fish species number 4. Oh boy. Oh, very next, well, not the very next cast, but a couple casts later, man. All right, species number 4. Fantastic. Gosh, I might actually accomplish this goal. I was thinking for a while I wasn't. That means 1 more species to go. There's largemouth bass. There's should be green sunfish in here. I'm not sure, but there's still bass, and God knows what else could be in here. Some shiners, or I don't know. Go alive minnow, man, putting in work, putting in the work. Right, sure. Oh, had a nibble. There we go. Another fish on. Not that big. What species is it though? It is a redbreast. Bye-bye. There we go. Ooh. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. This is good. What is this? Is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? I gotta be careful. Is that catfish? It is. It's actually a good one. It looks like a good channel. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna be able to lift that up. Oh man, that's actually not a bad, that's not a bad fish for this little creek. Oh my gosh. It's not a bad catfish. I'm just gonna have to try. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's a channel. Wow, I didn't even know that sucker was in here. So it would be new species. Oh boy. Oh boy. 6-pound test line, y'all. Oh man. Maybe we just gotta tire him out. All right, I guess just gotta go for it. Ugh. Oh, nailed it. Look at this guy. This is a pretty decent channel catfish, guys. That's a decent channel catfish. Wow. Holy moly. Yep. Wow, that came out really easily. This is radical, bro. What a way to catch the final species, huh? Ooh, look at this nice channel. I don't know, pound or so? I don't know. It's harder for me to guess kitty cat sizes, weights. Look at you. But for this teeny little creek, this is cool. Nice, dude. All right, buddy. I'm gonna have to toss you. Sorry. Whee! Oh, he's off easy enough. I wonder how deep it is over there, because that's obviously the deeper side is over there, but I just cannot tell. I need like a depth finder thing. Heck, yeah. Woo, what a nice way to end a creek fishing adventure with pretty decent sized channel for this creek. Y'all, I thought I was not going to be able to finish my goal of the 5 species, and you know what? Stuck it out, and I did. And the Gulp Alive minnows, the chartreuse ones, caught all of the species. All right, let's recap. Of course, bluegill was #1. Caught some nice ones too. Redbreast, some beautiful redbreasts. Caught some beautiful redbreasts. 3rd species was a creek chub. 4th species, nice little crappie. And then 5th species, boom, that catfish right there. And all without catching a bass too. I thought one of them was gonna have to be a bass. Turns out I was wrong. But I'm gonna end on that high note and get out of here. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this fishing adventure. I'll see you next time.